Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your gastroc soleus release. This is your calf muscle. So you're going to align the roller right in the belly, in the middle of the calf muscle. Okay, get a better angle here. And you're simply going to roll by hoisting yourself up with your hands, rolling back and forth, one leg at a time. You're going to do about 20 pass-throughs here. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and just internally and externally rotate the leg left to right, right in the belly of that calf muscle. You're going to do this 20 times. Then you're going to pump the ankle 20 times, like so. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to do that 20 times. And then finally, you're going to do circumduction in the ankle. You're going to take it in circular motions 10 times each direction. And you can do this for various parts of the calf muscle, moving closer to the knee joint or closer to the ankle joint. And you'll repeat that for both